Vidura College, Colombo, third midterm assessment, literacy skills, English, playgroup. Dear parents, please guide your child to face this assessment paper under the given guidelines. Let the child start the paper at a convenient time. Teacher will be reading the questions one by one. Ask your child to listen to the teacher very carefully and complete each question in the paper. Provide your child a colored pencil box to color the pictures. Do not use any other coloring materials. My dear children, we are going to start our third midterm assessment. This is our English paper. I am going to read you all the questions one by one. Okay, now everyone should sit properly and listen carefully to what I say. After that, you can take your color pencils and answer the questions. Okay, children, I know you all can answer correctly to all of the questions because y'all are my clever children. Okay, let's see what the first question is. Color the star with letter I in red and the star with letter E in blue. Color the star with letter I in red and the star with letter E in blue. Okay, now can you all see there are 3 stars with 3 letters. Here see, this is the first star with a letter inside. There is another star with a letter inside. And also there is another star with a letter inside it. Now I want you all to select the star that has letter I inside it and color that star using your red color pencil. Using your red color pencil. Okay, now color children. I hope you all colored the star with letter I using the red color pencil. Now select the star with letter E inside it and color that star using the blue color pencil. Okay children, did you all color the star with letter E using your blue color pencil? Very good. Now let's go to our second question. Children, the second question is to select and match the picture that begins with letter E. To select and match the picture that begins with letter E. Now can you all see? We have two pictures here. A picture of an engine and a picture of a cap. Now you have to think and match the correct picture that begins with letter E. That begins with letter E. Now take a color pencil and match the picture that begins with letter E. Okay, I hope you all have matched the correct picture to the letter E. Now, let's go to the third question. Children, the third question is find the correct beginning letter of the given pictures and circle them. Find the correct beginning letter of the given pictures and circle them. The first picture is a picture of an igloo. A picture of an igloo. Very good. And there are two letters. Now we have to find the correct beginning letter of the igloo. Is this the beginning letter of the igloo? Or is this the beginning letter of the igloo? Now take a color pencil and then circle the correct beginning letter of the igloo. Did you all circle the correct beginning letter, children? Okay, let's see what the second picture is. What is this? It's a picture of an ear. Again, we have two letters. What is the correct beginning letter of the ear? Is this the correct beginning letter of the ear? Or is this the correct letter? The beginning letter of the ear. Now take a color pencil and then circle the correct beginning letter of the ear. I hope you all have circled the correct beginning letters of the pictures. Now, let's see what the fourth question is. Children, the fourth question is identify and circle the beginning letter of the given picture and color another picture which begins with the same letter. Can y'all see the picture we have given y'all? What is it? It's an iron. Very good. Here see children, there are two letters. Now y'all have to select the correct beginning letter of the iron out of these two letters. And then y'all have to circle it. Now everyone take a color pencil and then circle the correct beginning letter of the iron. Circle the correct beginning letter of the iron. Did you all circle the correct beginning letter? Very good. Now we have two pictures here. An ink pot and an envelope. Now you all have to select the correct picture that begins with the same beginning letter of the iron, and then you all have to color it. Select the correct picture that begins with the same beginning letter of the iron and color it. Did y'all color the correct picture, children? I know y'all did, because y'all are very clever. Dear children, teacher has finished reading all the questions in the paper. Hope you all could write the correct answers for all the questions. Now check whether you have answered all the questions from the beginning. You may hand over the paper to your parents after you finish. Have a good day.